Your shoulder blades, your eyes ablaze. The way you throw your head back when you're losing faith but finding hope. It lights your face that helps me cope through all of this with